Luxury smartwatches. The very phrase used to sound like an oxymoron. For decades, high-end watches were defined by Swiss craftsmanship, mechanical movements, and centuries-old horological tradition. But in today's world, where performance meets prestige, one brand is redefining what it means to own a luxury timepiece, and that brand is Garmin. You've seen their name on some of the most advanced GPS and fitness tracking devices, but their latest release isn't just a tool, it's an experience. The newest Garmin luxury timepiece is commanding steep price tags usually reserved for elite mechanical watches, making watch enthusiasts ask, is this just another high-tech gadget, or is Garmin stepping into the realm of true luxury? Today, we uncover the pricey secrets behind Garmin's latest timepiece, breaking down the cutting-edge technology that sets it apart, the luxury materials and craftsmanship that justify its price, how it compares to traditional high-end watches like Rolex, Omega, and Tag Heuer, and whether this smartwatch is truly worth its jaw-dropping price tag. Before we dive in, subscribe to The Billionaire Luxe Room for more insights into high-end timepieces, cutting-edge technology, and elite lifestyle experiences. And if you're as fascinated by the future of luxury watches as we are, hit that like button and let's explore whether Garmin's latest innovation is a game-changer or just another expensive gimmick. Before we examine Garmin's latest timepiece, let's take a moment to understand where they came from. When you hear the name Garmin, you probably think of GPS navigation systems, cutting-edge fitness tracking devices, and watches designed for elite athletes, pilots, and adventurers. But Garmin has always been about more than just tracking steps and mapping routes. Over the years, they've built a reputation for precision engineering, rugged durability, and unmatched innovation. Their flagship models like the Phoenix series and the MARQ collection proved that high-performance watches could be both functional and fashionable. Now, with their latest luxury smartwatch, Garmin isn't just targeting fitness enthusiasts, they're going head-to-head with the biggest names in horology. But can technology-driven luxury really compete with handcrafted Swiss tradition? Let's address the elephant in the room. Why does this watch cost so much? When you think of a Garmin watch, you usually expect high performance at a practical price. But their latest model pushes the boundaries of what a smartwatch can be, incorporating elements that blur the line between wearable tech and haute horology. One of the biggest reasons for its hefty price tag is the materials. Unlike conventional smartwatches made of aluminum or plastic, Garmin's latest timepiece features premium-grade titanium, sapphire crystal, and handcrafted ceramic bezels, materials typically reserved for the likes of Omega, Audemars Piguet, and Patek Philippe. Beyond materials, there's also the movement. While it's still a smartwatch at heart, Garmin's top-tier model incorporates a hybrid mechanism that combines cutting-edge digital features with the aesthetic of a traditional analog dial. This means that even though it offers fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and GPS navigation, it still feels like a luxury watch on your wrist. A watch at this price point has to offer more than just premium materials. It has to deliver next-level performance. So, what exactly do you get with Garmin's latest luxury timepiece? First, there's the battery life. Unlike Apple Watches and other high-tech competitors that require daily charging, Garmin's high-end models boast a multi-week battery life, a major win for travelers and adventurers who can't afford to be constantly tethered to a charger. Then, there's the built-in AI coaching and fitness analytics. Garmin has long been the leader in performance tracking, but this model takes it up a notch with advanced physiological insights, real-time training recommendations, and even custom biometric analytics tailored for elite athletes. For those who travel frequently, Garmin's watch also includes global offline maps, solar charging technology, and next-gen altitude tracking, making it one of the most feature-packed timepieces on the market. But here's where things get interesting. This watch also comes with a luxury concierge feature, allowing owners access to exclusive VIP experiences, priority access to sporting events, and even curated lifestyle services. This is Garmin taking a page from the luxury world, creating a smartwatch that goes beyond fitness and becomes a gateway to elite experiences. Now comes the ultimate question. How does Garmin's latest luxury timepiece compare to the likes of Rolex, Omega, and Audemars Piguet? In terms of heritage, Garmin is still the newcomer in a field dominated by brands with centuries of watchmaking history. While traditional luxury watches focus on handcrafted mechanical movements, timeless design, and collectible value, Garmin's model is all about functionality, innovation, and real-world application. But when it comes to features, Garmin's watch offers far more than any traditional timepiece. While a Rolex might be a status symbol, it doesn't offer heart rate monitoring, built-in GPS, or AI coaching. And while an Omega Speedmaster has its spacefaring legacy, it won't give you real-time biometric feedback on your next marathon. The reality is, Garmin's latest luxury watch isn't trying to replace traditional Swiss watches. It's creating its own category. For those who demand cutting-edge tech wrapped in a high-end luxury package, it delivers an experience that no mechanical watch can match. So, should you invest in Garmin's latest luxury smartwatch? If you're looking for a watch that merges elite performance with high-end craftsmanship, the answer is yes. This isn't just a watch. It's a personalized experience, designed for those who live at the intersection of adventure, technology, and luxury. However, if you're a purist who values heritage and mechanical mastery, you might find it difficult to justify the price tag when compared to a traditional Swiss timepiece. The key difference is what you value more: prestige or performance. What do you think? Is Garmin's luxury smartwatch the future of high-end horology? Or is it just an expensive gadget? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Billionaire Lux Room for more luxury insights, exclusive watch reviews, and elite lifestyle content. Because true luxury isn't just about what you wear, it's about how you live. Until next time, stay bold, stay timeless, and keep exploring.